Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here, and today on Clara Marie Vlogs, I'm making apple pie French toast, which we will do here in a second. So, what you're going to need first for the apple pie French toast is a 1/4 cup milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of apple pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of applesauce, and 2 thick French toast bread slices. So what you're going to do is pour your milk into a pan that's big enough, or a bowl. Add the milk, the egg, and the spice, the vanilla. Give that a good mix. And you're going to dunk your bread slices in here. So, over to the stove we go. Hey everyone, here at the stove. Welcome back. What you're going to do is turn the pan on to medium-high heat. Add your oil. It could be canola oil or vegetable oil or some kind of Pam spray. You're going to add your French toast that you've dipped on both sides. I forgot to mention both sides earlier. Sorry about that. And you're gonna, cook it till it's golden brown on both sides. So without further ado, let's just let this cook, and I'll see you guys with the finished results. Okay. Hey YouTubers, we're back, and this is what the finished product looks like. I have also taken it up a notch by adding some apple butter, which looks like this in a jar. You could use any other brand, doesn't matter. But I've spread it on, and to top it all off, I am definitely going to add some whipped cream. This is totally optional. And let's give it a taste. You can also add maple syrup, if that's optional as well. So let's give it a nice taste. Really good. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog segment. If you want to see more videos, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notifications of new videos. So, that concludes today's vlogs. Bye!